Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Put on your videos, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Today your test is also live. Okay. Have you done or you'll be doing after the class?
I will do after the class.
Yes.
ma'am.
That's And what about the homework? Yesterday's homework, have you done?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Was it easy? Were you able to do the sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for today's class, although we have completed all the concepts of integers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in today's class, we will be practicing more questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because today is Saturday, this week's last class, so I didn't wanted to start any new chapter. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And moreover, you have a subjective test also.
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
thought we would practice more questions on this topic.
Okay, ma'am.
And next week you'll have some other chapter.
Objective test ma'am, next week.
Ah. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
It's already
Time is
5:53.
Yes, it's 5:53. We have Okay, can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, I have this worksheet here. You just ignore this. Okay, all questions are compulsory and this. Just ignore this part. Okay, this is the worksheet. We'll do more and more sums. So let's try this first.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am, for tomorrow's test, we need to write it in a rule paper or a plain paper.
Rule paper, beta. Always use rule paper.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
And write with pen.
Yes, ma'am. We should draw the number line with pencil.
Pencil. Yes, number line should be drawn with pencil, but the writing part should be with pen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's do this. Question number 1. Following statements are true or false. So I'll ask you one by one. You need not say, okay? I'll give turn to each one. The smallest natural number is 0. Aishwarya, is that right?
That's false.
False. Great. Okay. Next, Rishit.
Yes, ma'am.
0 is not an integer as it is neither positive nor negative.
True, ma'am.
True or
True.
false?
True, ma'am.
Saying 0 is not an integer.
No, ma'am. False. False.
False, no? 0 is an integer. Okay. Divesh, the sum of two negative integers is always smaller than both the integers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. True.
It's true.
Yes. Okay. Anyone else has joined? Let me check. Yes.
Can
Yes. Good evening, Ashwath. Ashwath, you read this question, question number 1, B part. This
Since
question.
5 is greater than 3,
Hmm.
therefore minus 5 is greater than minus 3. False.
False. Okay, good. Let's move to question number 2. Fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. Now you have to make it true. One on the number line, minus 15 is to the dash of 0. Aishwarya, give the answer.
Ma'am, left of 0.
Is to the left of 0. Great. Rishit,
Yes, ma'am.
on the number
On the
line.
number line, 10 is to the right of the 0.
Good. Okay. Next, Divesh. Additive inverse
ma'am.
of minus 1 is dash.
Ma'am, 1.
1. Good. Ashwath, give me the answer of this.
Ma'am,
Do it
is
in your
equals
notebook.
to minus 14.
Okay. This is minus 2, minus 1, minus 11. Okay, minus 14. Right. Next, fill in the blanks using greater, lesser signs. Okay. Come on, everyone, do it, and I'll ask you one by one.
Ma'am, I already completed the filling the blanks.
Oh, good. So give me the first answer.
Ma'am, the first answer is 11 plus 15 is greater.
11 plus 15 is greater. Okay.
Right side.
Yes. Rishit, give me the next answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the left side one is greater, ma'am.
Left side one, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 71 plus 9. And this one is minus 81 minus 9. This one is greater.
Ma'am, left
Okay.
side one.
Left side, this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Ashwath, give me the next answer.
Minus 101 is greater than minus 102.
Aishwarya, give me the next answer.
Ma'am, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is greater.
Okay, good, very nice. Okay. Now, anyone else has joined? I must give that child a chance. Aishwarya, Rishit, Ashwath, Divesh. No one else has joined yet. Okay. Write two integers whose sum is 6 and the difference is 6. Divesh, tell me. Write two integers. You have to find two integers whose sum is 6 and the difference is also 6.
Okay, ma'am.
That when you add them, you get 6, and when you subtract them, you get 6. Which are those numbers?
Ma'am, I cannot understand.
When you add them, you get 6,
Yes, ma'am.
and when you subtract them, you get 6. So think of that number.
I'm like, while subtracting it, if we subtract in negative form or positive form?
Suppose I have one number x, then my other number will be what? If the sum is 6, if the sum of two numbers will be 6, then my next number will be what? 6 minus x, no?
Yes, ma'am.
If I take one number as x, my other number will be 6 minus x, no? Is it? Now x and x can be cancelled here because they both are whatever number they are additive inverse of each other. So I can just cancel x and minus x minus x. So I'm left with only 6. That means which are the two numbers? 6 and 0. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
There is no other number other than 6.
Okay, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Or even if you want to find out this, so you'll get 0 and 0 only. If I take x minus x this side and I take 6 minus 6 this side, so it will be 0. Okay? So there is no other number, it's only 6 and 0. Okay. Let's do this. Question number 5. Ashwath. Ashwath, tell me, write 5 integers which are less than minus 100 but greater than minus 150. Any 5 integers.
Minus 111, minus 112,
Hmm.
minus 113, minus 114,
Hmm.
minus 115.
Minus 115.
5.
Okay. Okay, correct. Okay. Now tell me, write short answer type questions. Using the number line, write the integer which is 4 more than minus 5. Aishwarya, tell me this. Quickly do it on the number line. Everyone, do all these sums. I'll ask you one by one. Aishwarya will give me the first answer.
Now I have to do it in a number line.
Okay, do it. Do it.
Ma'am, I got all the answers.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
the answer is minus 1 for the first
Minus
one.
minus 1. Okay, very good. Rishit, next one.
Ma'am, next one is ma'am,
Yes, yes. Tell me.
1.
3 less than 2.
Ma'am, 1 ma'am.
1. 3 less than 2 is 1.
I'm like we should do 3 minus 4, 2 minus 3.
See, it's written 3 less than 2. 3 is less than 2, no?
Yes, ma'am, minus 1.
Hmm. Okay, now 2 less than minus 2.
None
Divesh,
can
I'll ask you also. Divesh, tell me. 2 less than. 2 is less than minus 2.
And 2 less than minus 2 will be negative 4. Ma'am,
Ma'am, are you there? Can you hear us?
Yes, Divesh, tell me. 2 less than minus 2.
ma'am, it will be negative 4.
It will be negative 4. Okay. Yes, Ashwath, tell me this. 5, subtract 5
Ma'am,
from
minus 20.
minus 20. Aishwarya, tell me this. Subtract minus 13 from 20.
Ma'am, the B bit.
Yes, B part. Subtract minus 13 from 20.
Ma'am, it's plus 33.
Plus 33. Okay. Do this one also, Aishwarya. Subtract minus 6 from 0. Give me the answer, Aishwarya. Subtract minus 6 from 0. Yes, Aishwarya.
Minus 6.
Okay, 6. Okay, now Hridesh is here. Hridesh, you give me the answer of this. Subtract minus 51 from minus 51. Hridesh. Hridesh, are you there? He has joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you
Yes,
got
ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Give me the answer of this. Subtract minus 51 from minus 51.
Teacher, it's 0. Basically, it's an additive inverse also.
Okay, good. Okay, so it's 0. It is not an additive inverse. See, you are subtracting.
Sorry, sir, means it's like, what should 1 minus 1 is 0, like that only. Additive inverse means if
They are
minus
not
of
additive
if
inverse.
minus 51 is there, it should be plus 51. I understood.
Okay. Now next one. The temperature is minus 5 degrees now. What will be the temperature after the rise of 7 degrees? Ashwath, you tell me.
2 degrees Celsius.
Okay, 2 degrees. Great. Represent minus 7, minus 6, 3, 0, minus 1 on the number line. Do it. Show all these numbers on the number line. Quickly plot them. Do it in your notebooks and you will be showing me on the screen. Hridesh, put on your camera. Yes, Divesh. Okay, Divesh, I've seen yours. Good. Do the rest of the sums, Divesh. Those who have done, you can move on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Rishit. Good, Rishit, I can see. Mom. Yes, Aishwarya.
There's no one showing.
Okay. Yes, Aishwarya. Okay, bring it slightly closer. Okay, yes. Okay, I can see you have made so many number lines. You need to plot all these numbers on one number line itself. Okay? Okay, do the next sum. Those who have finished, do the next sum. Ridesh, show me your work.
I'm completed doing all questions of question 10.
Yes.
Ma'am, me too.
Okay. Ridesh, show me your question. Question number 9, number line.
Teacher, I'm doing.
Do fast. You shouldn't take so much time in this.
When can I say the first answer?
Just a second. Okay, give the first answer, beta. Rishit.
Ma'am, it's plus 31. Ma'am,
Plus-
plus 32. 32.
Plus 32. Okay. Others? If you have got the same answer.
Yes, ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay, good.
Teacher,
Ma'am,
we
the
have to do,
answers are
teacher, we have to
visible
do
at right
this.
bottom of the page.
What happened? Ridesh is asking.
Teacher, we have to do that in number line.
Yes, on the number line, no? It's written here. Represent these
Question
numbers.
9th, you are telling.
Ma'am, the answers of 10th question are visible at right bottom of the page.
Yes, I know. Never
Yes,
mind.
ma'am. I also saw it.
Okay.
Yes.
Never mind, but your practice is required. Never mind, just ignore this. Okay? These answers are not always correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your calculation matters. Okay?
Ma'am, in
Your
A question, I
calculations
told.
should be correct.
I'm in this question first I told 31 because when I subtracted 39 from 71, I cut 1 and I kept 10 ma'am instead of 11.
Okay. Mhm. Okay,
Teacher,
Ashwin.
teacher done.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, Ashwath, tell me the next answer. B part. Minus 41, 49 plus minus 57.
Ma'am, it's 106. Minus 106.
Mhm. Are all getting the same answer?
Yes ma'am, I got the same answer.
Ma'am, I also got the same answer.
Okay, don't just go on the numbers written here. Okay, these numbers can be some printed error also. Do your calculations correctly. Okay, next, Divesh will tell me. Divesh, what is this? Minus 58 plus 0.
Ma'am, 0 had no value, so the answer will be minus 58.
Minus 58. So simple. Okay, Divesh, tell me the next also. Minus
And the
70.
next one will be
Ma'am, can I say?
Let Divesh do.
ma'am negative 49.
Negative
Yes
49.
ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay, good. Okay, let's move ahead.
Ma'am, I'm showing my work now.
Just a second. Who is this?
Rishit ma'am.
Rishit. Okay, Rishit. Yes, nice. Good, beta. Okay. Now simplify these questions. Now one by one we'll do these questions and one by one I'll ask you. Ridesh, do the first question and tell me the answer. Okay, Ridesh. Do this first one. Yes. Ridesh, tell me the first answer.
Yeah. Teacher, it's plus 3 plus minus 7 plus minus 5.
What is the answer?
Teacher, here first we should do that 3 plus, we will open all the brackets, plus minus is minus.
So what do you get?
1 minute I'm doing. 3
Ma'am, I got the answer.
minus
All answer.
7. Again I have to open the bracket, which is nothing but plus minus. So again it's minus 5.
Yes.
So first we will do 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Again, you have to do it's minus 4. So we will do 5 minus 4. 1 minute.
That's minus 5 minus 4.
Yeah. The answer is 9.
9.
No, sorry,
What's nine?
1, which is nothing but minus 1.
What is the answer?
It's -1.
-1? How do you get that?
No, ma'am.
It's -7, -5. So you get 4 here, minus of 4, then -5, your
Ma'am,
answer.
can I explain? Ma'am, +3 -7 is equals to -4, ma'am. So -4 plus -5 is equals to -9.
Yes. Yes, Ritesh, look here.
Oh,
See?
teacher, I got it. From -4, I have done wrong.
Okay. Okay, now you get it?
So it's -5 plus -4.
Okay. Aishwarya, tell me the next one.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is -100.
The answer. Okay. You're directly telling me the answer. So
No.
this is minus
So we have
99.
to do 4 plus -200 plus
Ah,
96.
yes.
So 100 plus -200 equals -100.
Good. Okay, so I have, since this is plus, I have taken these two, that's 100. Then 99 minus 101. 100 minus 99 is 1, minus 101, that's minus of 100. Okay. Okay, now see the next one. A hotel in Greenland is made entirely
Ma'am.
of ice.
Ma'am, you forgot the C1. C1.
Okay, C1 is left here. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say Rishi?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, let Divesh say. Okay, Soumya, wait, Divesh. Let me give chance to Soumya. Soumya has just joined, I think. Soumya?
Ma'am, can you give me some time? I'll get my charger.
Okay.
Only 2 minutes.
Okay, Divesh, you tell me. Divesh will tell the answer then.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we can add -6 and -8, which gives us -14.
Yes.
And because there are two negative signs, it will become positive. So we need to subtract. So that's answer is 1 as the 15th greater digit. We should keep +1.
Yes, very good, Divesh. Very nice. Okay. Soumya is back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Soumya, read this question number 12, and give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. A hotel in Greenland is made entirely of ice. The outside temperature is -35 degrees, and the inside temperature of a room is -10 Celsius. What is the difference between the inside and outside temperature?
What is the difference? You need to find the difference. Means what will you do here? -35 and -10 is the temperature. So this is the difference. Difference means you will subtract. So what do you
Yes,
get? So what is the difference in the temperature? Tell me the answer, Aishwarya. No, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am. I'm telling you. 1 minute.
And Soumya, put on your video.
Ma'am, it's -25.
It's -25 degrees Celsius. Right?
I got the same
Okay.
answer.
Very good. Okay, now this is the last question of this worksheet. Everyone do this. Subtract the sum of -340 and 170 from -45. Do it. First, you have to find the sum and then subtract it from -45. Okay? Do. Everyone do. Hridesh, do it. I want the answer from you.
Okay.
And put on your video.
Teacher, it is going off. I can't understand.
Make it on again. Put it on again.
Okay, teacher, give me 2 minutes. Teacher, I'm not able to get it.
Ma'am, minus 125.
Okay.
Teacher, just can you explain me? I'm not able to get it.
Okay. See here the question says subtract the sum of. Forget about this subtract now. The sum of these two numbers. The question is subtract the sum of these two numbers
I got
from
plus
minus
125.
2. So that means first you will do the sum of these two numbers. That means minus 45 minus
Ma'am, I also got the plus
minus
25.
340 plus 170. So you have to subtract this sum of these two numbers from minus 45. Did you get it now? Ridesh? Ridesh? Ridesh is there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it got
Now
on
you
me.
understand this, what we have to do in this question with this statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 45 minus the sum of these two numbers. So when you perform this, now you can perform this addition. What will this be? What is the answer? What is 340 minus 170?
Teacher, what is?
340 minus 170.
340 minus 170.
Yes, do
1
it.
minute. 340 minus 170, which is 0. $270.
Hmm?
1 minute. 0 minus 0, 0. 14 minus 7, 7. 2 minus 1, 2. 270.
270? Is
Teacher,
that?
you told to subtract 340 by 170, no?
Huh.
Add
40 minus 170. I told you to subtract. Why
Yeah.
subtract? Because you have different signs here. Children,
Yeah.
you have different signs. So whenever you have different signs, follow your sign rule. We do subtraction.
Yes.
So 340 minus 170 is 170 and sign of the bigger number. Okay?
Okay.
equals to minus 170.
Then you have two signs here. You make it to one sign. It will become positive. Then drop down 45. Drop down 170 minus 45 plus 170 will give you 125 plus 125.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay,
Ma'am, I also got the same answer.
very good. Others, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Soumya, you got it? You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's practice some more questions. Okay. Okay, it's here. Now, let's do these questions. See the first one. Okay, solve these questions.
Ma'am, first one is 56 plus 50.
Okay. Okay, let others also do, then we'll match the answers.
No,
Done?
No, ma'am, I got it's wrong, ma'am. Plus 56. I'm doing it again.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, plus 26.
Okay. All got the same? Or there is
Yes,
some
ma'am.
change in the answer? All got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If that's correct, then we'll do the next one.
Yes, ma'am, I got the same answer.
Very good. Let's do the next one. 16 minus 34 minus 87. See, you have to be very quick in your calculation, okay? Now, the things are thorough to you. So, you need to speed up.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I got negative 105.
Okay, negative 105. Good. Now, Aishwarya, tell me the next answer.
Ma'am,
See, here you have absolute sign, okay?
so keep it as minus 37.
What happened, beta?
I got the B bit as minus 37.
This B part answer,
Yes, ma'am.
minus 27.
No, minus 37.
Minus 37. No, no, no. You must have made some mistake somewhere. Please check this.
Ma'am, I did it like we are subtracting smaller digit from greater digit. So it will be negative.
Okay. So
So again,
34
a
plus
negative and
87.
negative will be addition. So
हाँ,
I
thir-
got the greater digit.
7 plus 4 is 11. Okay, 11, then that's 12. So you got 16 minus 121. 16 minus 121. That means 121 minus 16. What will you get?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
got
minus.
minus 105.
Yes, ma'am, I also got the same
Minus
answer.
1 more. Okay. You got it, Aishwarya?
Yes.
Okay. Aishwarya, now do this one. Can you do this? See here, this is minus 87. This is absolute value of minus 31. I'll show you this. Okay, I'll do this question. So that whenever you have those modulus sign questions, you can do it. It's minus 87 plus modulus of minus 31. So mod of minus 31 means absolute value of 30 minus 31 is plus 31. Okay. Then you have plus and minus together. So that means plus and minus will give you minus. So minus 98. So now can you solve this as you do usually? Solve this. Swan is not here today.
Ma'am, I got the answer as minus.
Ma'am, I got negative 154.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I
got
got
the
it
answer
as
minus
Ma'am,
42.
I got it as negative 154.
Negative 150.
Ma'am, I got the answer as negative 42.
Okay. So how come two answers are different? Divesh is getting something else. You are getting something else.
Ma'am, first I did
Ma'am,
the
I got minus 154.
Please check
Ma'am,
your
I also
calculations.
got negative 154.
Ma'am, I got minus 42.
Ma'am, I got minus 160.
See, that's 87. Then plus
Plus
31.
31.
And minus 98.
Ma'am, we can add 87 and 98 and keep the negative
Okay.
sign.
So when
So I
you
got the answer as negative 185. So then I
yes,
subtracted it from 21 as their unlike signs. So I got negative 154.
okay. Okay, that's correct. Okay, let's do the next. 67 plus 34 plus minus 23. Make these two signs to one sign. So I will convert these two signs to one sign. So I have plus and minus together, then that will be minus. Now do this. Yes. What do you get? Soumya, tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got plus 78.
Soumya,
1
what
minute,
did you
ma'am.
get?
I'm still doing it.
And I
Ma'am, I
got the
got plus
answer as
78.
I also got plus 78.
Okay,
Ma'am, we both
that's
got the
nice.
same answer.
Okay, what do you got, Soumya?
Ma'am, I got plus 78.
Okay, good. Okay, Ashwath will give me the next answer. This one. Minus 34 plus 45 minus 56.
Ma'am, minus 45.
Minus 45. Okay, others please check your answer. Okay, next one. Ridesh will tell me the next one. C part. Ridesh, tell me the next one. Do the next one. Ridesh, tell me the answer. Ridesh, are you there? He's not there. Aishwarya, do you tell me the next answer?
Option is plus 134.
Plus 400 and
No, ma'am, plus 134.
no. See here, this is minus 58 and minus 31 plus 45. So when you perform this, you get minus of 9
Ma'am, minus 44.
minus 44. Okay. So when you subtract this, you have positive negative sign. That means you will subtract. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Sign of the bigger number. That's minus 44. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Aishwarya. Okay. Now see this question 9. Next question. Now here you have absolute value. Now you will do this. So now you know how to do the questions with absolute value?
Yes.
Yes, do it.
Ma'am, I got the answer as minus 31.
Okay. Let others also do.
Ma'am, same ma'am. Minus 31.
Minus 31. Okay. Minus 31.
I got as a negative 57.
How are you getting minus 30? Because when I subtract 43 from 64, that's 3 and 1 here, 13.
13, ma'am. So,
That's crazy. So how will you get 41? 41, no way you can get. So that's
31 minus 31.
minus 30.
This is 7. I'm getting minus 57.
Ma'am, absolute value now, ma'am.
So absolute value is 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it will be plus 13. So, minus 44 minus 13 will
Uh,
be.
Is it
Minus 34, minus 13. See, outside the
Man, they
absolute.
both are like signs, so we need to add.
Yes, you need to add and then put sign of the bigger number. See, absolute value is only for what is inside it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Suppose inside the absolute, if you have number minus 11 and outside also you have minus. So this outside sign has nothing to do with the inside part. Okay. The absolute value of minus 11 will be 11 itself. And this outer sign will come along.
I got it, ma'am.
Okay. You understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So since this was already positive, 56 minus 43 is 13 plus 13. So absolute value of 13 will be 13 only.
Yes, ma'am.
And there is negative sign outside the absolute form, modulus.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
So it will be minus 57. Okay, do the next one. This you can do. Okay, this you can do yourself. I know. Do this one. Let's take the another absolute one. Do the C part.
Ma'am, plus 39.
Others also do and give the answer then.
Ma'am, once again.
Ma'am, is the answer minus 10?
Minus 10.
Ma'am,
No,
is
ma'am,
the
one
answer
second.
negative
Ma'am,
12?
minus 52.
Negative 12?
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
See, for inside the modulus, what do you have? 45 and minus 25, no?
Ma'am, 20.
45
It
minus
is
25
Ma'am,
is 20.
the answer will be 20, ma'am.
20 and then minus 32 is outside.
Ma'am, we need to subtract
minus
the
32
greater digit sign.
minus 20 is equals to
So, yes, ma'am.
minus
minus
32
12.
plus
Minus 12.
minus 20.
So what do you get? 20 minus 32.
Ma'am, minus 12.
Yes. Okay. Do this one. Do the B part here. Question 10, B part. First, perform the absolute part.
Ma'am, minus 89.
Ma'am, negative 49.
Yes, negative 49. See, Rishit?
Yes, ma'am. Negative 15.
See, where have you made mistake? I have taken this minus 69 as it is. Then I solve this absolute part. 34 minus
Sure.
54 is
It I got,
minus
that one I
20.
got 20 plus 20.
So minus 20 is inside the modulus sign. So that means it will come out positive. So that's plus 20. Now I get minus 69 plus 20. So that is minus 49. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Others, are you understanding? Divesh, Ashwar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya, Soumya, Ridesh,
Yes,
are you understanding this modular sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now let's do next. This is simple. Do this question number 8.
Ma'am, minus
Ma'am, negative 59.
Yes, from negative 50.
Okay. Great. This one,
Ma'am, 0.
Ma'am,
0.
0.
Ma'am, 0.
this,
minus 20.
Minus
Ma'am,
28.
negative 20.
okay,
20, 20.
this one,
Ma'am,
G,
28.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
28.
28.
28. Very good. This one,
Ma'am, 8.
Ma'am, 8.
great. Okay. Let's do further. This one,
Ma'am, 8.
Ma'am, 8.
Ma'am,
Soumya,
8.
this is 8.
Ma'am, negative 7. Next one.
Negative
Yes,
7.
ma'am, negative 7.
Okay, Soumya,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, tell
Ma'am.
me.
4.
4, yes. Next, Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, tell me this.
Ma'am, the answer is
Minus 20.
minus 33.
Minus 33. Good. Okay. Ridesh, tell me next.
Yeah, teacher.
Tell
Teacher,
me this
it's
one.
345 plus 33,
43 plus 43.
which is nothing but 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Sorry, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 3, 388. Does what's the sum of the two numbers? Again, we have, when we open the bracket, it's plus minus, which is minus. So 388 minus 65. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 3 directly comes. So the answer is 323. I took it the answer just now.
Very good. Okay, everybody got the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Ashwat will tell me the next.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, hurry up.
Ma'am, 120.
120
Minus 120.
minus 120 have all got the same.
Oh, ma'am.
Then what do you get?
Ma'am, I got minus 54.
So much of difference.
Ma'am, I also got negative 120.
Okay, let me check. Please check your answers.
Ma'am, minus 87 plus minus 65 is equals to minus 52.
Yes, it's correct.
Minus 52 minus 32 is equals to
Yes, it's correct, beta.
minus 120.
Those who have got must have made some messy. You have minus 65 plus 32 minus 87. Okay, so what will you do? You just add them. Okay, this is minus sign will come here and you subtract them. 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 3 minus 33 and 87. Then you have both are minus sign. You add them. Your sign will be negative. Okay, sign of the bigger number is negative, so negative, and you add them. That's 10, 11 and 12. Okay, got it? Okay, do this next. Modulus sign is here.
Ma'am, next one is the minor in the modulus sign. Ma'am, it's minus 45 or plus 45.
Plus 45.
Ma'am, then it won't
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
change.
got the C1 answer.
Yes, it won't change. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you get here?
Ma'am, I got negative 51.
Okay, I add these negatives first. Okay, so this is 64 plus 32 will be 6,
Ma'am,
9
96.
Ma'am, 96.
plus 45. So that means I have negative here and
Ma'am, we will subtract.
Yes, 51. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay, now let's do these. This is the last. Okay, let's do these questions. The following statement is true. Which one is true? Go through those statements. 2 subtracted from minus 3 gives 1. Is that? No.
No, ma'am.
Minus 1 subtracted from minus 5 gives 6.
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, D, but D bit is correct.
D is true, ma'am.
Okay, 3 subtracted from minus 8 gives minus 11.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
3 subtracted from minus 8. 3 subtracted from minus 8. Isn't it minus 11?
Ma'am, it is minus 11.
Yes, ma'am, it's minus 11.
So this is correct, no? And
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about this? 1 subtracted from minus 7 gives minus 6. So this is also correct.
Yes, ma'am.
1 subtracted from minus 7. Okay, no. This is not correct. Okay.
And this is that is negative
Yes,
8.
so this one is correct. Okay, next one. The number of integers between minus 2 and 2 is how
Ma'am,
many
4.
integers are there?
Ma'am, 3.
3.
Minus 1,
Yes,
0,
ma'am, 3.
3. Opposite of minus 7 is
7.
7 plus
7.
sum of two negative integers is always
Negative.
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 positive. Sum of minus 30 and minus 12 is what?
Ma'am, negative 42.
Negative.
42.
Minus
Option
42.
C.
Okay, sum of minus 10, minus 5 and 12 is what?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Minus 3.
Minus 3. Which of the following statements is false? Now, which one is false?
Ma'am, C1. C1.
C1.
Yes.
Minus
C1.
4
Yes, ma'am.
greater,
C1
5
is false.
greater.
C1.
Ma'am, minus 5 is lesser than plus 4.
So this is false. Which is false? So this is false. Okay. Which of the following is in increasing order?
Ma'am, the C1.
Ma'am, option C. Minus 1, 0 and 1.
Yes, ma'am. C1.
Okay. Using the number line, write the integer which is 4 more than minus 1.
Ma'am,
4
it's
more than
ma'am plus 3.
it's 3.
Ma'am, plus 3.
Okay. Okay. Find the sum of these numbers. What is the sum of these numbers? Minus 9 plus 4 plus minus 6 plus 3.
Ma'am, negative 8.
Negative 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are all getting the same?
Ma'am, we could add minus 9 and minus 6, which gives us negative 15. And we can add positive 4 and positive 3, which
Good.
gives us 7.
7. Yes, ma'am. I got
Yes. So 7 minus 15 will be minus something.
negative 8.
Okay. Filling the blanks with greater lesser sign. Okay. Tell me this one. Which is greater? Minus 3, minus, plus, minus 6.
Ma'am, minus 3.
Ma'am,
Minus.
Option
Minus
A.
6.
Minus 3. Minus 3 minus of minus 6 is greater.
Minus
Option
3
A.
minus 6. So this is minus 9. And this is 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is greater.
Yes, ma'am. Option A.
Option A.
A.
Okay, next one. Find minus 7 minus 8 minus 25. Do this minus 7 minus 8 and minus of minus 25 is plus 25.
Ma'am, option A, 10.
Ma'am, A.
Option
Plus 10.
10. Okay, great.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the more you practice, you will increase your speed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you have done all these questions. See, you have done by yourself. Okay. It's only your practice matters now. And be careful about the signs. Okay. And do
Okay.
your test. Okay. Thank you for today.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Good night.
Good evening. Yes.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.